Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to run payroll reports in QuickBooks Online. Running payroll reports in QuickBooks Online is essential for tracking employee wages, taxes, deductions, and overall payroll expenses. These reports help you stay compliant, prepare for tax filings, and maintain accurate financial records. To get started, log into your QuickBooks Online account and navigate to the Reports section from the left-hand menu. Under Standard Reports, scroll downwards until you find the Payroll section. Click on Employee Contact List to see your current employee list. You can add notes to this list. Go back to the search bar, type Run Payroll to filter and display all available payroll-related reports. You'll see several key options, including payroll summary, payroll details, employee details, tax liability reports, and paycheck history. Each report serves a different purpose. But this all depends on the subscription you have. All in all, the payroll summary report provides an overview of total wages, employee taxes, employer taxes, and deductions for a selected date range. This is useful for reviewing overall payroll expenses. The payroll details report gives a more granular breakdown, showing individual paycheck information, hours worked, pay types, and specific deductions. If you need to review tax obligations, the payroll tax liability report shows what taxes are owed and for which period, helping you avoid late payments or penalties. Once you select the report you need, customize the date range at the top of the page. You can choose a specific pay period, month, quarter, or year. You can also use the Customize button to filter by employee, department, or location if needed. After generating the report, carefully review the totals to ensure accuracy. If everything looks correct, you can export the report by clicking the export icon to download it as a PDF or Excel file. This is especially helpful for sharing with accountants, auditors, or internal stakeholders. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video, subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.